7 secret ways to get a man deeply obsessed with you. Do you dream of a man being so obsessed with you that you become the center of his universe? Imagine him thinking about you constantly, drawn to you like a magnet. Believe me, this isn't a far-fetched fantasy. With the right approach, you can captivate a man's heart and mind, making him crave your presence. If you want to know how to ignite this kind of attraction, then stay with me until the end of this video. Follow these psychological methods step by step, and I guarantee he won't be able to resist pursuing you. These strategies aren't just tricks, they're rooted in psychology and proven by research. If you apply them correctly, you'll have him chasing you, prioritizing you, and thinking about you nonstop. So, are you ready to take control of his emotions and create an unbreakable bond? Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand male psychology. Before we explore the 7 ways to make him obsessed with you, it's crucial to understand how men think. Men are naturally goal-oriented. They thrive on challenges and feel a sense of pride when they overcome obstacles. Whether it's scoring a goal on the field, closing a business deal, or winning someone's heart, the thrill of achieving something difficult fuels their confidence. Here's the secret. If something is easily accessible, it doesn't feel like a victory. That's why men often value what they have to work hard for. According to relationship expert Dr. Pam Spur, many men are drawn to the thrill of the chase. When they believe they're earning your affection, their interest deepens. It's human nature to treasure what we work for. If a man sees you as a prize worth winning, he will put in the effort to pursue you. But if you give too much too soon, he may lose interest. Attraction is perception. Attraction isn't just about physical looks, it's about how you make someone feel. Think about this. Have you ever been told that someone has a crush on you, and suddenly, you start seeing them in a different light? That's because how someone perceives you can shift based on emotional cues. Similarly, people are drawn to those who make them feel good. If someone is negative or constantly criticizing you, you naturally avoid them. On the flip side, if someone makes you feel confident and uplifted, you're more likely to enjoy their company. This is why understanding male psychology and emotional perception is key. You don't need to manipulate anyone, but you can use these principles to foster genuine attraction. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's get into the 7 ways to get a man obsessed with you. 1. Show him your girlfriend material. What makes a man pursue a woman seriously? It's not just looks. It's about whether she embodies the qualities of a great partner. Men look for women who have strong family and friend connections, are kind, empathetic, and loving, exude patience and positivity. Physical attraction might draw him in, but these qualities will make him stay. A man wants a partner he can introduce to his family and trust as a life companion. When you show him your heart and soul, you'll stand out as someone worth cherishing. 2. Use reverse psychology. Surprise him by doing the unexpected. Men are used to certain behaviors, so breaking the mold can make you unforgettable. For example, imagine a handsome guy at a bar offers to buy you a drink. Most women would leap at the opportunity to flirt. Instead, politely decline and say, "I'm out with my friends tonight, but thank you." This unexpected response will leave him intrigued. You've shown loyalty to your friends, independence, and confidence, all qualities he'll admire. 3. Boost his ego. Here's a psychological truth. People are drawn to those who make them feel good about themselves. Men, in particular, are motivated by recognition and affirmation. Compliment him on something he values, like his skills, intelligence, or sense of humor. But be subtle. Don't overdo it. Your compliment should feel genuine and not inflate his ego to unhealthy levels. A little encouragement can go a long way in making him feel special and connected to you. 4. Surround yourself with attractive friends. This tactic leverages group dynamics. Studies show that people are perceived as more attractive when they're part of a good-looking group. This phenomenon, known as the cheerleader effect, works in your favor. When you're out with your attractive friends, the man you're interested in will naturally associate you with the collective charm of the group. It's not about competition. It's about creating an overall impression that makes you stand out even more. 5. Be honest. Honesty is more appealing than intelligence or independence. Studies have found that people perceive honest individuals as more attractive and trustworthy. Being genuine about your thoughts and feelings not only builds trust, but also strengthens emotional intimacy. For instance, if he asks about your day, share something meaningful instead of giving a generic response. Authenticity fosters deeper connections and makes you unforgettable. 6. Don't act desperate. Desperation is a major turnoff. If you're constantly texting him, checking his social media, or trying to bump into him, he'll feel smothered. Think about it. How would you feel if someone followed you around all the time? You'd likely find it overwhelming and unattractive. Instead, give him space and let him wonder about you. Create an air of mystery that keeps him intrigued. 7. Show genuine interest without oversharing. Balance is key. If you completely ignore him, he'll assume you're not interested and move on. But if you reveal too much too soon, you'll lose your allure. Ask him thoughtful questions about his life, but keep certain details about yourself vague. For example, if he asks about your job, respond with something like, "I work in a creative field. It keeps me busy and inspired." This leaves room for curiosity and keeps the conversation flowing. As you can see, you don't need to transform your life or pretend to be someone else to make a man deeply obsessed with you. By understanding male psychology and leveraging these 7 strategies, you can create a magnetic connection that draws him closer. Remember, the goal is to build a genuine bond that makes him value and cherish you, not to play games or manipulate him. When you approach relationships with confidence and authenticity, you'll naturally become irresistible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on relationships and attraction.